Hi guys! Today's video, we're cooking some sopas guys. So my own version just, I have my chicken yan yung leftover guys. And then I use the penny pasta. And I have sliced the cabbage. And I have already some garlic, carrots and capsicum. I just put already the onions. So I start to cook guys. So this is also the onions now. I on the exhaust because put the garlic. I don't know why I don't use the cooking stove like the what you call that cooking. I did not use this one guys. So just I like to use the spoon. So after this, I put the chicken guys. Gigisahin natin yung chicken. Put some salt. This is iodized salt. Put some black pepper. And I put this guys, the penny, like this penny. And then after this I put the water to make it soft. Just only me to eat this guys because husband is not eating this. I add water to keep tender the pasta or penny. So and after that I close it. Leave it for a few minutes and then I open and put after the slice, what you call this, cabbage. And then the other things is like this one. And later I'll put some fresh milk. So we'll see what's the next. I know this was since I was in abroad guys, I was working before in Kuwait, and then I used to cook like this, the sopas. It's nice. But sometimes I put also some sausage. I mean, no, it's not sausage, I mean hot dog. So I put also just nice also. Instead of hot dog, I use the chicken. So that stays really nice. So this is for my what do you call that? For my own version cooking. I love cooking guys. That's why I love experience to cook, and I like also bake. See, my husband now is overfeed. So I'm just happy for that. It's healthy as well. And then I put some just a bit Nor cubes. I just put a bit, what you call this here is a stock cubes. So chicken, because I put the chicken there. So I have here some half. I used this the half the last time, so this is a half also. It's not full. I did not use the whole, so just half, just guys. So just only me I eat. Husband is not eating like this. So I cook later for my husband's food. I think that's boneless something like I show you. This one I got for my husband, guys. This is a what you call this? Peppered boneless pork chop. So I bought for this. I cook for him later for his dinner as well. And I make some fries. What do you call that? French fries. And boil a bit some green peas and put some gravy, something like, and that's rice. So this is already marinated, guys. I tried to buy this last time, so it says yummers, it's namet. So while still waiting here, so I'll check my rice. I just cooking here rice as well. So ready now. I want to eat rice, guys, so just I use this. I cook some pasta today for me. And 1 minute, I'm gonna show you guys. This is yesterday I baked some banana cake, banana muffins. So I ate this the last time. Husband don't want to eat, so this is for me. All I ate. So I baked I baked yesterday. I think I ate yesterday 4 pieces. So this is the leftover. So I eat them. So husband, I bake also for him some vanilla cake. For husband is vanilla cake, guys. Just only this. Oh, see? And then when he eat, I make it warm and put some chocolate up here at the top so he can eat, and prepare some a bit of coffee and cake and basket. So that's what my husband's like. So every day, every other day, I make for him. So not every day, every other day, something like, every 2 days, something like. So let's try to eat my muffins, guys. Yummers. Sarap. Yummy. Number 2. So done eating, I drink water. So I put, guys, I put this. I put already the bell pepper and the carrots. And this one, the cabbage. So I put already I wait until all is malambot. All is malambot. So guys, I put some fresh milk now. I put some fresh milk. So, I show you guys kung ano yung pagmumukha ng niluluto. Kung masarap ito siya totally, ganyan siya guys. Tada! So, I leave it there until lahat dyan is malambot. So, that's namin. Hi guys, so nearly done my cooking. So, the macaroni is malambot na siya, guys. Yung penne is malambot na siya. Namet! Malambot na siya, guys. I love to do the spoon. My rice is already done. My plant here, guys, is not. I put here some capsicum seeds, but it's not. But I put outside there. Some other is growing now. This one is not. Maybe it's not nice. That's real, guys. So, I don't know, this one is not growing here. Oh, so maybe it's not nice. And this is the new one. It's the rose. This is a rose, guys. And that's my orchids. Pretty. So I try to check my cooking here. So I think it's already. So it's already done, guys. I switch off now. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So see you our next vlog. Bye. It's done cooking. Thank you for watching.